brand new iPhone 17 in blue. Everyone's been talking about it. Let's crack it open. What's up, fam? It's Hornet, and today we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 17 in blue, Miss Blue at that. 156 gigabytes. I'll give you quick first impressions, color in real life, and what's actually new, and if this is actually an upgrade. Well, for me, at least, I'm coming from an iPhone 11, so this is a big difference. Yearly thing, you know? All right, so, okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, because it's kind of like overly bright, but you see it, iPhone 17. Let's unbox it. My favorite part. Oof. Apple just gets it right, man. Put that to the side. All right, inside the phone, let's get this open real quick. I'm gonna run you through what we have this year. We have little sticky notes, little notes. Let's put this to the side real quick. We get the cable, so y'all can see. Not focusing in, but cable, USB-C to USB-C, you already know. We got the wire, little gift packet that they give us, the little notes. iPhone 7, iPhone, you are no longer need a physical SIM. So we're done with SIMs now, bro. We're going to eSIM, bro. If you're not, we're going with eSIMs today. Inside the phone, we have the paperwork, the USB-C, and no eSIM. So we're not doing no eSIM anymore. The world's upgrading fast. So, the moment y'all been waiting, girl. Girl. Let's push this to the side. Put all this paperwork out of here. Feel me? The moment y'all been waiting for. Peep. Oh, that shit clean. All right, let's turn this bad boy on. Apple logo. You already see it. The Miss Blue is subtle. You know, think soft, matte blue in person. The frame is aluminum with a color-infused glass look. Feels light, but definitely dirty. And the finish does a nice job hiding fingerprints. Like I've touched this a couple times, man, and I don't see not one fingerprint. So Apple really stepped it up. You really can't see no fingerprints on this at all. Like I touched this a few times and I can't really see anything. Okay, let's swipe this bad boy up. Bam. Green is a 6.3 Retina display. ProMotion is like 120 hertz. If you haven't experienced anything above like 60 hertz, like that's regular stuff, like anything else will look like it's lagging. Like I know compared to this phone, which is what, like 60 hertz, like the smoothness is unmatched. Like it looks like this is lagging. If you could see, you could see it, but I don't know. You have to see it in person. The left looked like it's lagging compared to the right. Definitely an upgrade from my old phone. Thicker, bigger camera size, a lot of no glass breakage in the back. Outside it punches, it gets like 3000 nits bright, and that means it just gets super bright. You know what I mean? For sunlight plus and always on display, perfect. Let's set this up real quick, you know what I'm saying? Do my thing. United States, continue. We're gonna set this up using my other iPhone. Get that bad boy ready. Who are you? Set up for me. Finish iPhone. All right, we're gonna put this to the side and let that set up. Hey man, while you're here, check out the wallpaper. Internet things. Oh, let's set this up. New beginnings. New begin. Ooh, girl. All right, while it sets up, let's talk about the facts. So the screen is a 6.3-inch Retina display and ProMotion of 120 hertz. Finally on the base model, an always-on display. It ships with iOS 2016's new glass look and a bunch of quality of life updates. Pro tip, if it feels a little bit warm after, like, you know, you set it up, it's doing a little bit of indexing, so, you know, just don't mind that. We've got a 48 megapixel dual fusion system, so that's 48 megapixels for the main camera and 48 megapixels for the ultra wide. You can also grab the optical quality 2 times from the main sensor, and the default 24 megapixel shot looks clean as well. Up front, a new 18 megapixel center stage camera with wider field and sharper details. There's also a dual capture video if you like picture-in-picture reaction out of the box. In plain terms, you can shoot horizontal and vertical in the front camera now. Under the hood is a new A19 chip, snappy UI, hardware accelerated ray tracing for games, and better on-device intelligence. Wireless gets a lift up from Apple's N1 networking chip with new Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread for smart home reliability. The battery is rated for up to 30 hours of video playback. You can hit 50% in about 20 minutes of charging with the USB-C cable provided, but obviously they don't give us that little charger anymore, so it's sold separately. MagSafe in Q2 is supported as well. Storage starts at 256 gigabytes, and the iPhone 7 starts at around $799 in the US. I have the 256 Mist Blue version, you know what I'm saying? Or Cosmic Deep Blue, that is only on the Pro model. Regular 17s have the Mist Blue. Early take, this feels like the most pro, non-pro phone ever. Compared to an Air, honestly, this is a bang for your buck. 120 hertz, better screen, eSIM, and bigger sensors. I'll daily it for a week, you know, doing camera tests, you know, just a day in the life, you know, stay tuned for that. And I'll report back with y'all. If you're new here, tap the sub, you know, we got more in depth, more content on the way. We're gonna do a day in the life video for this so you can actually see how it fits in a day to life. Not, you know, just the text and specs. You know, that's what this video is for. But if you liked it, you already know, sub, like, all that jazz. Nice. Alright, just fast.